got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a cleaning and decorating with me in my mudroom for the Christmas holiday. I am going to be doing some simple things in here, adding some simple Christmas touches. I am not going to do a whole lot because this is a very practical space. We use it every single day, at least 3 times a day. So I didn't want it to be too claustrophobic. Not claustrophobic, but I didn't want it to be too much with all the Christmas decor. So if this is something that you are interested in watching, definitely go ahead and watch all the way through till the end. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decors, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and double tap that bell for new notifications. Let me know where you're watching from, and also let me know what your name is in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching with me today, and let's go ahead and get started. You guys, I have so much work to get done in this mudroom. I was trying to give it like a real makeover for the Christmas holiday, but I just did not get around to it with me, having a full-time job and being a full-time YouTuber and full-time everything else in between. I just did not get a chance to do what I wanted to do in here, but definitely coming in the new year, I am going to be giving the space a brand new look with board and batten and different color paint and light fixture, new doors. A French door is going to be thrown in the mix. So definitely stay tuned to my channel for that makeover because it is going to be coming and I am super excited about it. It is going to be fabulous. So I'm just stoked. I'm so stoked. And I hope that you guys are excited about it too.
snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh,
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.